If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jois, and today we're here at Mrs. Jyoti Singh and Mr. Vikas Maurya's beautiful 2 BHK home. Now, as we enter the main door into this open living, dining and kitchen concept, we see a gorgeous blend of blue, white and greys in a modern twist. Without wasting further time, hit that subscribe button if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, and let's go inside. Vikas lives with his wife and daughter in a 2 BHK apartment. He wanted the design, decor and color scheme to blend in seamlessly across the home. They wanted their house to be designed in such a way that everything is easily accessible and uncluttered. As they travel a lot and love to collect souvenirs, they wanted us to design a specific space to display the same. A stylish living room is everyone's dream because this is the place where family gathers, hosts guests, and spends maximum amount of time. The main highlight is the TV unit, which consists of an elegant TV base unit with a tall display and wooden paneling. It is the highlight of the space as it covers one entire wall of the room and gives a stone wall appearance. Moving to the kitchen, the deep blue color with a textured white laminate in the kitchen looks absolutely stunning. The spotlights above the overhead units highlight the beautiful shutter texture. Hey, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's move on. Now moving on to the master bedroom. The master bedroom has been designed with earthy color palette. The wall has been highlighted with a bright color texture paint which is complementing the rest of the furniture used in the room, and the flower curtain is adding a natural touch to the room. Here's the kids' bedroom. A very simple and neat design for TV cum study cum dresser was designed. Champagne colored furniture is going well with the entire look and the feel of the space. A nicely designed workstation is a major requirement in today's time. Sleek and simple study with minimal storage is designed for maximum 2 people to sit and work without any disturbance. This modern home with bold colors, clean lines and no fuss is pretty much everything one would want in a perfectly designed home. If you think so too, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, share the love. Now, if you're looking for home interiors for your home or for your friends, do fill the form in the description box below and we'll give a free design consultation. Until next time, see you all.